What if I told you there are 15 brilliant machines, affordable, easy to buy online, and practically built to generate cash right from your home? No advanced skills, no confusion, just plug-and-play tools that create products people are already eager to buy. Stick with me, and I'll show you which ones are worth your money and which ones you should avoid. And if you want the full list of machine URLs, just comment "Send URLs," and I'll share the documents with you. Oh, and yes, I've saved the most impressive one for last. It's a complete game changer. If you're serious about starting a profitable side hustle, let's jump in. Cotton bud making machine. Let's start with something you've used your whole life: cotton buds. Believe it or not, there's a fully automatic machine that makes them from start to finish. This cotton bud making machine costs around $8,000 and handles everything: feeding wooden or paper sticks, wrapping both ends with cotton, trimming the excess, and lining them up perfectly, ready for packaging. You can even set it to make double-tipped buds for hygiene kits, cosmetics, or medical uses. The best part? It requires minimal supervision. Just load the sticks and cotton rolls, and the machine does all the work. One person can easily run the entire line. Cotton rolls are cheap and easy to find, and using paper sticks lets you create an eco-friendly brand, packing everything in simple plastic containers or paperboard boxes. This setup is perfect for private label brands, beauty stores, or pharmacy supply chains. You'll just need a clean, low-dust space with basic power, nothing industrial. Plus, since cotton buds are lightweight and compact, storage and shipping are a breeze, even if you're working out of a small space. Aluminium foil container machine. This aluminum foil container press is a true workhorse for food packaging. It takes aluminum foil rolls and presses them into ready-to-use food trays, the same kind you see with takeout, meal prep, and frozen dinners. You can easily switch molds to produce different shapes and sizes, and the entire process is automatic. Just feed the foil in, and the machine handles stamping, forming, and stacking. Despite its power, it's surprisingly compact and fits comfortably in a small workspace or even a garage. Entry-level models start around $3,500, while more advanced versions with automatic stacking can go up to $7,000. You'll need aluminum foil rolls, which are widely available from packaging suppliers. Your ideal customers include local restaurants, catering companies, frozen food brands, and meal prep services. Businesses that go through hundreds of trays daily, and if you can deliver consistently, they'll keep coming back. Plus, there's a growing demand for custom trays with restaurant logos or special designs, which you can easily offer by swapping in custom molds. This machine is perfect if you want a product with high daily use and steady recurring demand. Food box making machine. Takeout food is everywhere, and this machine is what powers the packaging behind it. A food box making machine transforms flat sheets of die-cut paperboard into ready-to-use containers for burgers, noodles, pizza, and more. The entire process is fully automatic. You load in stacks of pre-cut cardboard, and the machine folds, glues, and heat presses each box into shape with precision. No hand-folding, no mess, and no wasted time. The model we're highlighting supports multiple box shapes and sizes, making it ideal for restaurants, catering services, or packaging suppliers with a range of needs. You don't need a huge space either. A small workshop or well-ventilated garage is more than enough. Just make sure you have access to die-cut paperboard, which most local packaging suppliers can provide in bulk. Once you're set up, the machine handles the rest. The biggest advantage is consistency and speed. Every box is neatly formed, with strong edges and a clean finish, ready for stacking, storage, or delivery. It's built for single-person operation and features a straightforward interface, with only basic maintenance required. Depending on speed and mold size, prices typically range from $9,800 to $15,000. It's a solid way to step into the food packaging industry, an industry with high daily use, strong recurring demand, and a growing shift away from plastic-based alternatives. And hey, if you're enjoying this breakdown of niche machines with real earning power, make sure you're subscribed. There's a lot more coming. Staple making machine. Staples are used everywhere, from offices and schools to packaging facilities. And this compact staple making machine lets you produce them at scale. Priced around $5,000, it takes rolls of steel wire, straightens, flattens, cuts, and bends them into uniform staples automatically, with minimal supervision. The process is fast, reliable, and fits into a small workshop space with standard power. Once formed, staples can be boxed and sold in bulk or under your own brand. Raw wire is cheap and widely available, keeping your overhead low. Target buyers include office supply distributors, stationery stores, packaging companies, and wholesalers who go through thousands of staples every day. It's a simple machine, but one that produces a high-demand, easy-to-sell product with steady recurring orders. Leave a comment if you'd like a list of machines tailored to your budget, whether you're starting with $5,000, $10,000, or more. I read them all. Sock sewing machine? Socks are one of those rare products with steady, year-round demand. Everyone wears them, and they're constantly being replaced. With a sock knitting machine, you can start your own small-scale production and manufacture up to 400 pairs a day, depending on the model. These machines are fully automated, using pre-programmed patterns to knit socks in various sizes, styles, and materials. You can easily switch up designs and colors to match seasonal trends, custom requests, or niche markets like sportswear, novelty socks, or eco-friendly lines. Once the socks are knitted, they go through a basic finishing process, linking the toe, steaming, and packaging, and they're ready for sale. The machine itself starts at around $33,000 for a quality setup, and it includes a digital control panel to manage pattern settings, yarn tension, and production speed. You'll also need a basic supply of cotton or blended yarns, and optional accessories like a sock toe closer or steamer can speed up your workflow. This setup is perfect for launching a private label or selling through online stores, craft markets, or bulk to boutiques and subscription boxes. Whether you're targeting comfort basics or bold fashion styles, socks offer a versatile, high-volume product that can grow with your brand. Laundry detergent pod making machine. Laundry pods have become a household staple, compact, mess-free, and super convenient. This machine is built to manufacture them at scale using a fully automated process. It starts with a roll of water-soluble PVA film, which feeds into a forming station, gets molded into small pockets, filled with liquid detergent, and then heat-sealed to create clean, uniform, dissolvable pods. The finished pods are cut, ejected, and collected onto trays or conveyor belts, ready for packaging. You can fine-tune settings like pod size, fill volume, and sealing time through a digital control panel. Once set up, the system is easy to operate and fits within a 4x3 meter space. Depending on the model, it can produce anywhere from 300 to 800 pods per minute, making it ideal for private label brands or contract manufacturers. You will need basic knowledge of detergent handling and possibly permits for chemical storage and labeling, depending on local regulations. A fully automatic pod-making machine typically costs around $18,000. It's one of the more specialized setups in this lineup, but also one with clear potential in a booming product category. And hey, have you noticed detergent pods getting more common where you live? Let me know in the comments. Occurring demand. Teabag making machine. The automatic teabag packaging machine is a compact and efficient tool for creating custom tea products at scale. It fills and seals small tea bags with your chosen blend of herbs, leaves, or dried flowers, perfect for launching a branded line focused on wellness, relaxation, energy, or sleep. With the growing demand for natural and herbal remedies, this machine taps into a booming niche. It's compact, just about 1 meter by 0.9 meters and 1.2 meters high, so it fits easily into a small workspace. Priced around $1,900, it's one of the most affordable entries into product manufacturing. Once set up, it handles the filling, sealing, and cutting automatically, allowing you to focus on branding and marketing. Ideal for small batch producers, e-commerce sellers, or health and wellness shops, this machine brings together agriculture, packaging, and online business in one simple, scalable setup. If you've made it this far, consider subscribing. It helps a ton, and you won't miss the game-changing machines still to come. Metal scrubbers. You've probably seen these in dollar stores, supermarkets, or under your own kitchen sink. Metal scrubbers made from tightly wound stainless steel wire, used for cleaning pots, pans, and grills all over the world. Behind those scrubbers is a compact but surprisingly powerful machine. This automatic kitchen scrubber making machine is priced around $3,600 and turns rolls of steel wire into finished scrubbers with zero manual shaping. You feed in the wire and the machine coils it at high speed into that familiar ball shape, cuts it cleanly, and drops each finished scrubber into a collection bin, ready for packaging. It's fast, efficient, and simple to operate with no special skills needed. The main raw materials, stainless steel or galvanized wire, are widely available and affordable. Once the scrubbers are formed, you can package them using plastic sleeves, shrink wrap, or cardboard hang tags, which can be done with a small sealing or labeling machine if you want to streamline the process further. The machine fits neatly into a workshop space, just 2 to 3 square meters with standard power and low maintenance requirements. And because these scrubbers are sold in bulk to hotels, commercial kitchens, cleaning supply wholesalers, and even online shoppers. There's steady market demand and minimal hassle when it comes to storage and shipping. It's a small machine with surprisingly strong income potential. If you're finding these kinds of machines interesting, hit that like button and let me know in the comments. Would you ever start something like this from home? Thanks so much for watching. Which machine would you want to start with? Let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't already, subscribe and ring that notification bell so you never miss an update. Catch you in the next video.